Prynhawn da. Good afternoon. Croeso I Brifysgol Wrecsam ac I seremoni raddio y Brifysgol. Y drydedd o 5 seremoni i'w chynnal dros 2 ddiwrnod. Welcome to Wrexham University and to the university's graduation ceremony. The third of 5 ceremonies to be held here over 2 days. This ceremony is known as a congregation of the university, and during the ceremony today, we will be presenting certificates, diplomas and degrees. Mae'r seremoni heddiw yn achlysur ffurfiol I ddathlu eich cyflawniadau. Felly, gofynnwn yn garedig I bawb aros yn ei seddi a dangos parch drwy gydol y seremoni, os gwelwch yn dda. Today's ceremony is a formal occasion celebrating your achievements. So we kindly ask everyone to remain seated and respectful throughout. Ac ein bod ni'n eich annog chi I gadw lefel y sŵn I lawr, rydyn ni yn eich annog chi I ddangos eich cefnogaeth drwy gymeradwyo eich cyfoedion wrth i'w dyfarniadau gael eu cyflwyno ar y llwyfan y pnawn yma. Now, while we do ask that you keep the noise to a minimum, we do encourage you to show your support by applauding your peers as their awards are presented here today. Please follow the lead of our platform party in doing so. Wel, mae nawr yn bleser gen I wahodd Dr Lee Griffin, cadeirydd Bwrdd Llywodraethwyr Prifysgol Wrecsam, I agor y seremoni y prynawn yma. It gives me great pleasure to call upon Dr Lee Griffin, Chair of the Board of Governors of Wrexham University, to open the ceremony.
Pnawn da, and a warm welcome to this congregation of Wrexham University. Today marks a formal celebration of your achievements, where we recognise degrees earned and other matters concerning Wrexham University. So, as authorised by the University, it gives me immense pleasure to open this congregation of Wrexham University and to ask that the University proclamation be read. Diolch.
Hyder trwy addysg. Bydded hysbys i aelodau'r Brifysgol ac i bawb sydd yn bresennol. Y cynhelir heddiw ar y dyddiad hwn, dydd Mawrth, yr unfed ar 10 o Fawrth 2026, yn Ninas Wrecsam, gynulliad awdurdodedig o Brifysgol Wrecsam. Derbynir i'w gwobrau unigolion sydd trwy efrydiaeth yn y Brifysgol a thrwy ddisg, medr a dyfalbarhad wedi teilyngu'r cyfryw raddau yn unol ag ordeiniadau'r Brifysgol. Gyda phob gweddi a dymuniad, ar iddynt fwynhau iechyd a hir hoedl i wasanaethu eu hoes a'i cenedl dan fendith y nef. Yna, dy oleuni a gyfyd mewn tywyllwch, ath dywyllwch a fydd fel hanner dydd. A rhai a fyddant ohono ti a adeiladant yr hen ddiffeithleoedd. Y mae digonedd o air ac o emau, ond geiriau deallus yw'r trysor gwerthfawrocaf. Hyder trwy addysg. Confidence through education. Be it known to members of the University and to all here present that an authorised congregation of Wrexham University is being held here in the city of Wrexham, Tuesday, the 31st of March 2026. Those who have, through study at the university and through learning, ability and perseverance, been deemed worthy of university awards in accordance with the ordinances of the university will be admitted to their appropriate degrees, in the hope that they may be given health and long life to serve their generation and their country under the blessing of heaven. Then shall thy light rise in obscurity, and thy darkness be as the noonday. And they that shall be of thee shall build the old waste places. There is gold and a multitude of rubies, but the lips of knowledge are a precious jewel. Bydded hysbys i aelodau'r Brifysgol ac i bawb sydd yn bresennol fod y Brifysgol wedi rhoi'r awdurdod i'r athro Joe Yates i dderbyn i'w graddau fyfyrwyr Prifysgol Wrecsam a enillodd raddau yn unol â rheolau'r Brifysgol. Gwelir enwau'r rhai y gallir ei derbyn i'w graddau yn y cynulliad hwn yn y rhestr preintiedig sydd wedi ei ddosbarthu. Let it be known to members of the university and to all present that the university has authorised Professor Joe Yates to admit to their degrees those students of Wrexham University who have obtained degrees in accordance with the university's regulations. The names of those who may be admitted to their degrees in this congregation are to be seen in the printed lists distributed today. Anrhydeddus Is-Ganghellor. Rwy'n cyflwyno graddedigion gwyddorau cymdeithasol I chi o gyfadran gwyddorau cymdeithasol a bywyd ym Mhrifysgol Wrecsam. Mewn diploma addysg uwch, gwaith ieuenctid a chymunedol. Baglor yn y celfyddydau anrhydedd, troseddeg a chyfiawnder troseddol. Lles cymdeithasol. Gwaith cymdeithasol gyda statws cymwysiedig. Gofal plant therapiwtig. Baglor mewn gwyddoniaeth anrhydedd, gwyddorau chwaraeon ac ymarfer corff cymhwysol. Biocemeg, hyfforddi pêl-droed ar arbenigwr perfformiad. Gwyddor fforensig, plismona a plismona proffesiynol. LLB anrhydedd y gyfraith. Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I present you these students from Wrexham University to their respective certificates, diplomas and degrees. Diploma of Higher Education, Youth and Community Work. Bachelor of Arts Honours, Criminology and Criminal Justice. Social Welfare. Social Work with Qualified Status. Therapeutic Childcare. Bachelor of Science Honours, Applied Sport and Exercise Sciences. Biochemistry. Football Coaching and the Performance Specialist. Forensic Science, Policing and Professional Policing, and LLB Honours Law.
Kirsty Williams. Hannah Broderick Taylor. Larissa Carter. Samantha Milbourne. Gemma Williams. Vicky Williams. Rachel Shield. Sunita Alvarado. Kate Ashfield. Chris Bagnall. Sarah Blackwell. Alicia Carrington. Leanne Chard. Seren Davis. Zoe Davis. Lauren Howe. Victoria Hudson. Cameron McLaughlin. Jasmine Parker. Emma Parry. Samantha Richards. Jennifer Roberts. Gwenna Williams. Liam Pickstock. Taylor Williams. Joshua Hughes. Catherine Orty. Jaleh Azim Haravan. Amy Boyd. Sean Edwards. Amy Lewis. Claire McNally. Sarah Richards. Leanne Thompson. Rebecca Thornton. Danielle Trevor. Sarah Wilkinson. Chloe Snowden. Danielle Dodu. Ethan Skellen. Sam Wall. Caroline Swalenska. Jennifer Holland. Carol Sear. Grace Brockley. Nirvana Davis. Georgia Lamb. Daniel Pullman. Natasha Roberts. Matthew Smith. Crystal Hughes.
Wel, hoffwn yn awr wahodd yr is-ganghellor I roi ei anerchiad. I would now like to invite the Vice-Chancellor to give his address.
Prynda Pau, good afternoon everybody, and croeso and welcome graduates, families, friends, colleagues. What a privilege it is to stand here in front of you all today as we celebrate this incredible milestone in your lives. Today is all about you. It's about your hard work, your perseverance, and the bright futures that lie ahead. Graduation is a significant milestone, and we're all incredibly proud of you. Graduation is more than just a ceremony, though. It's a moment to reflect on how far you've come and to look ahead at the opportunities that await. Over your time here, you've gained more than just knowledge. You've built friendships, you've overcome challenges, and developed the skills and confidence that will carry you through into the next chapter of your lives, and provides a strong platform for you to make a real impact in whatever you choose to do. You, our graduates, are our future. You are the future, and this class are the engineers of the future, the social workers, the criminologists, the sports scientists, the chemists, the therapists, who will serve our communities. Your university has a long history. It dates back to 1887, when the Wrexham School of Art and Science was first established. We first started offering degrees in 1924 and achieved university status in 2008. We've come a long way since then, and we can all be proud of our ranking in terms of league tables, which puts us in the top 5 in the UK for the teaching quality that we deliver here at the university. However, we never stand still. Wrexham University is evolving just as you're developing. Our vision and our strategy sets out our ambition to grow, to innovate, and continue making a real difference to our students, our communities, and the world beyond. We've made a bold and unwavering commitment to those who live, study, and work in our communities, to work in partnership to improve the educational, economic, social, cultural, and environmental prosperity of all. This year, we've marked some real significant milestones as we deliver our vision to be a world-leading modern civic university. We recently secured research degree awarding powers and announced the Wrexham Business Gateway, which is a £22 million single capital investment in Wrexham University, the biggest in our history. Within your faculty too, we've delivered some significant developments. Our commitment to values of excellence, transformation and collaboration have shone through the faculty. We've increased numbers of students learning through the medium of Welsh, progressing into the public sector workforce in North Wales. We have a growing research culture, including increasing numbers of staff undertaking their own postgraduate research journeys, and the recent successful research funding secured by Education and Childhood Studies will have an impact in terms of the education development in North Wales. We can also signal the strong culture of openness and support and innovation in the student experience, signalled by 100% student satisfaction for our Mental Health and Wellbeing Department in this year's National Student Survey. But it's important to us to recognise that while strategies and buildings may change, the heart of Wrexham University remains the same. It's about you, it's about our people, it's about the incredible students, staff here on the stage and outside, and graduates just like you who bring it to life every single day. So you may be, I think that does deserve a round of applause for them, doesn't it? So, you might be leaving our campus, but you'll also always be part of this university and our community. Wherever your journey takes you, whether it's to a new job, further study or new adventures, know that you have a community here that believes in you and that supports you. My wish for you is that throughout your lives and your future careers, you keep the values of Wrexham University close. Excellence. Strive to always do your best, and whatever it is you're doing, aim to do it well. Inclusion. Always treat people with kindness, dignity and respect. Integrity is important. Never lose sight of it. Collaboration. We're better together. Collaboration and partnership unlock solutions, so take others' points of view on board and harness the strength of others. To share the wisdom of the African proverb, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. Transformation. Our world is changing so quickly, and you, our most recent graduates, are on the crest of the wave, going out into your futures with the ability and the promise to change things for the better. So be ambassadors for change and strive to make a positive difference. Sustainability. The earth is ours to inhabit for just a short time, so recognise that you have a vital role to play in the world that you pass to future generations, and let that thought guide your decision-making. If you hold these values close, you won't go far wrong in your personal or professional lives. And as your Vice-Chancellor, I want to say again how proud we are of you. I also want you to know that you will always be part of our university and I invite you to join our Alumni Association so you can stay connected with us, your university. So head over to the careers and alumni stands in the marquee outside to find out a little bit more. I just wanted to say a few words to acknowledge our staff here on the stage, and I wanted to single out one particular colleague, Dr. Simon Stewart, the Dean of your faculty. Simon has worked for many years for the university, and during that time has discharged leadership which has developed significantly the student experience and also the faculty he's led. Many of the students who's passed through this hall, through this faculty, have been shaped by Simon's leadership in terms of the programmes that they've led and the excellence that he's fostered in his role. As Simon moves on to his new role, I want to wish him all the best from us here at Wrexham University, but I also wanted to say a thank you for his leadership and the impact that he's had on our students and generations that have gone through this institution. Thank you, Simon. So, go forward with confidence, be bold, stay curious and never stop learning. Congratulations to all of you. We genuinely couldn't be prouder. Thank you. Diolch.
Wel, hoffwn y nawr wahodd llywydd undeb y myfyrwyr, Freya Groom, I roi ei hanherchiad. I would now like to welcome the President of the Students' Union, Freya Groom, to give her address.
Good afternoon, everybody. It is a privilege to stand before you today as President of Wrexham Students' Union to celebrate this extraordinary moment in your lives. Today is not just about the degrees you have, but about the years of commitment, patience, and personal growth that have led you here. As students, you've all faced challenges, from difficult assignments to those late nights where deadlines have felt impossible. But you've also shared countless moments of joy, the friendships forged in lectures, the memories made in societies and sports clubs, and the community spirit that makes Wrexham such a special place to study. As you reflect on these years, it becomes clear that the experience here have shaped far more than our academic achievements. They've instilled resilience in the face of difficulty, determination when the path was uncertain, and an appreciation for the strength of community. On behalf of all graduates, I want to extend heartfelt thanks to your lecturers and staff whose dedication and belief in you has been unwavering, to your families, friends and loved ones who've cheered you on and supported you through every step of this journey. And to my fellow students, thank you for your energy and your passion and for being the heartbeats of this university. It has been my privilege to serve as your Students' Union President and to witness the strength, creativity and resilience of this community. Graduation is not an ending, but a beginning. The knowledge, skills and friendships you've built here will stay with you long after today. Wherever your journeys take you, whether into new careers, further studies or opportunities you've not yet imagined, step forward with confidence, knowing that you are prepared. Celebrate today with pride in what you've achieved, gratitude for those who've helped along the way, and excitement for all is still to come. Congratulations.
Anrhydeddus Is-Ganghellor. Cyflwynaf I chi y myfyrwyr hyn o Brifysgol Wrecsam i'w graddau, diplomau a'i tystysgrifau priodol yn y disgyblaethau canlynol. Tystysgrif raddedig broffesiynol mewn addysg. Tystysgrif ôl raddedig, troseddeg a chyfiawnder troseddol. Addysg. Dysgu ac addysgu mewn addysg uwch. Yr ymchwilydd hyderus. Meistr yn y celfyddydau. Troseddeg a chyfiawnder troseddol. Addysg. Addysg Cymru. Addysg gyda phlentyndod cynnar. Addysg gydag arweinyddiaeth, gwaith ieuenctid a chymunedol JNC. Meistr mewn ymchwil, ymchwil Gwyddor Fio-Feddygol Gymhwysol. Meistr mewn Gwyddoniaeth, Gwyddor Fio-Feddygol. Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I present to you these students from Wrexham University to their respective certificates, diplomas and degrees in the following disciplines: Professional Graduate Certificate in Education, Postgraduate Certificate in Criminology and Criminal Justice, Education, Learning and Teaching in Higher Education, The Confident Researcher, Master of Arts, Criminology and Criminal Justice, Education, Education Wales, Education with Early Childhood, Education with Leadership, Youth and Community Work, JNC, Master of Research, Applied Biomedical Sciences Research, Master of Science, Biomedical Science.
Karen Davis. Joseph Evans. Jessica Griffith. Jacqueline Holden. Deborah Roberts. Mashenska Croft. Shaquila Morgan. Ellen Roberts. Natalie Fraser Edwards. Kirsty Joanna Rogers. Catherine Ann Rowlands. Jodie Challoner. Lisa Griffiths. Courtney Jones. Kelly McKee. Willow Morris. Deborah Amps. Dean Harkin. Vanessa Marcus Ryan. Abdullah Al-Mughni. Tamana Rahman. Jane Reid. Jackie Beckett. Kellen Jones. Emma Woodbine. Kelly Huber. Leanne Lewis. Jason Boone. Anthony Carter. Tagri Jawad. Faye Willett. Senia Duvid. Tazin Ahmed. Bright Ojo Alange. Bana Ghosh. Joseph Jayasimi. Alaba Obendi. Michael Okochi. Farana Islam Rita. Sadi Tapusum.
Anrhydeddus is Ganghellor. Cyflwynaf i chi y myfyriwr hyn o Brifysgol Wrecsam yw gradd doethur. Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I am pleased to present to you our doctoral student. Teitl y thesis. Rwy'n gefnogol iawn o roi ail gyfle, ond astudiaeth ansoddol o gysyniadau cyflogwyr o gyflogadwyedd pobl sydd â chofnod troseddol. Thesis title: Doctor of Philosophy. I'm all for second chances, but a qualitative study into employer perceptions of the employability of people with criminal records. Aaron Squire. Anrhydeddus is Ganghellor. Cyflwynaf y myfyriwr hyn o Brifysgol Wrecsam yw gradd doethur. Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I am pleased to present to you our doctoral student. Teitl y thesis: Dilysrwydd yr heddlu a Covid-19. Cysyniadau a phrofiadau cymunedol yn swydd Nottingham. Thesis title: Doctor of Philosophy. Police legitimacy and Covid-19. Community perceptions and experiences in Nottinghamshire. Emma Stones.
So, this is the most formal part of the ceremony. It's the point at which we confer the degrees or other awards on you and you become graduates. At some of the old universities in England, this would be done in Latin. At the new English universities, it's done in English. Here in Wales, we do this in Welsh. So the orator will ask me to confer the degrees and all their privileges on you, which I will do. She will then ask me to do the same for those who are not present today and are getting their degrees in absentia. May I therefore ask all the graduands to please stand.
Anrhydeddus Is-Ganghellor. Cymeradwyaf I chi dderbyn y myfyrwyr hynny i'w gwobrau ac I holl freintiau'r graddau hyn.
Trwy awdurdod y brifysgol a ymdderimydwyd I mi, debyniaf chwi eich gwobrau ac I holl freintiau y gwobrau hyn.
Anrhydeddus Is-Ganghellor. Cymeradwyaf I chi dderbyn yn ei habsenoldeb, y myfyrwyr hynny a enwyd yn rhannau priodol y rhaglen i'w gwobrau ac I holl freintiau'r graddau hyn.
Trwy awdurdod y brifysgol a ymddeiriadwyd I mi, debyniaf y chrau a nodwyd o'n ei habseneldeb i'w gwobrau ac I holl freintiau y gwobrau hyn. Congratulations, you are now graduates of Wrexham University.
Wel, hoffwn yn awr, wahodd cadeirydd Bwrdd y Llywodraethwyr, Dr Lee Griffin, I gloi'r cynulliad y pnawn yma. I would now like to invite the Chair of the Board of Governors, Dr Lee Griffin, to close the ceremony this afternoon.
Diolch. We're almost there. The granting of an academic award brings with it privileges and responsibilities, and through your hard work and your diligence, you have joined a distinguished society of scholars. You will face challenges and opportunities in the years ahead. You will change lives. Throughout, be kind to yourselves and be kind to others. I would like to add my personal congratulations, the warmest congratulations to those of the Vice-Chancellor and the University. And in doing so, I formally close this congregation of Wrexham University. Diolch.
Wel, gyfeillion, dyna ni ddiwedd y seremoni am y prynhawn yma. Cynhelir cynulliad nesaf y Brifysgol y bore fori. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our graduation ceremony. The next congregation of Wrexham University will take place tomorrow morning. Gai ofyn I bawb sy'n gallu sefyll I wneud hynny nes i'r orymdaith gan gynnwys y graddedigion newydd adael y neuadd, os gwelwch yn dda. May I ask you to stand and please do so and remain standing until the procession, including the new graduates, have left the hall. Diolch yn galon.